Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, the hot and humid conditions continue today. We're going to see probably our warmest day of the week occur today with those temperatures getting up into the low 90s. We'll also see heat index values up to around 100 to 105 degrees as we go through the late morning and afternoon hours. And much like what we've seen over the last few days, we'll have that potential for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm in the area later this afternoon and also again later this evening. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see a little bit of weak upper level energy moving through the region, and overall pretty quiet conditions over the mid-Atlantic this morning. We're going to see those quiet conditions continue with partly cloudy skies and dry conditions through the morning hours, and then again we'll see a little bit of a sea breeze boundary make its way along the coast of the Delmarva during the early afternoon hours, and potentially could see a few isolated showers or thunderstorms pop along that boundary, looking like around the hours of 1 o'clock today through 4 o'clock this afternoon. We'll see about a 20% chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Taking a look at our satellite imagery from this morning, we've got a little bit of upper level cloudiness that is moving overhead currently, and a little bit of low level cloudiness as well around the 1,000 foot level, but overall partly cloudy skies, and we'll continue to see those conditions through the morning hours today, and then a little bit more development of that cumulus cloud as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours today. I'm going to take a quick look at our short-term high-resolution model this morning. You can see as we go through the day today, much like what we saw out of the model yesterday, not really looking like much potential for showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon. I think it's underdoing it once again, and we'll see that potential along the sea breeze boundary during the hours of 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock this afternoon. Then as we go into the evening hours tonight, we'll see a little bit more upper level forcing make its way through as a frontal boundary crosses the region. You can see some of those showers and thunderstorms pretty strong off to our north and west by 8 p.m. this evening. But as those slide across the area, I do expect those showers and thunderstorms to begin to weaken. I do think they'll hold together enough that we'll see some rain out of this event later this evening, maybe even some lightning strikes in the area as it crosses the region. But then it will clear out as we go into the morning hours of Thursday. And Thursday we should see just slightly less humidity as a result of that frontal boundary, and looking at dry conditions for your day on Thursday. Currently out there, again, we do have a little bit of cloudiness at multiple layers of the atmosphere, a little bit at the low levels of the atmosphere around 500 feet. And we've got some upper level cloudiness at around 17,000 and 25,000 feet, 5 miles visibility, and our southwesterly winds at around 3 knots as of 8 a.m. this morning, with a temperature of 81 degrees and that humidity way up there at 91%. So taking a look at our forecast for today, we're going to see again that potential in the early afternoon hours of some pop-up shower or thunderstorms in the region. Daytime high temperature of 92 degrees. And we'll see a little break in the thunderstorm chances after 4 o'clock this afternoon. We'll see partly cloudy skies continuing into the evening hours, and then we'll see that return for a chance of some showers and thunderstorms later this evening into the early portion of the overnight hours. Not looking at very cool temperatures at all for us overnight tonight. Only a low of 78 degrees expected. We could potentially see lower temperatures than that if we have a heavier shower or two overnight tonight. But without those showers to bring those temperatures down, we'll likely stay in the upper 70s. Winds will be fairly light as we go through the afternoon today, seeing more of a west-southwest component to our winds currently. As we go into the afternoon, we'll see more of a southwesterly direction. And then as we go into the evening hours, as that frontal boundary crosses the area, we could see a brief moment of breezy conditions as that front goes through. So we could see the winds going from about 7 to 12 knot out of a southwesterly direction to quite breezy with a westerly direction of 10 to 15 knots, gusting potentially up to around 20 knots as that front crosses and those winds turn out of a northwesterly direction. As we wake up tomorrow morning, northwesterly winds at 6 to 12 knots are expected as we go into our Thursday. Partly cloudy and continued hot conditions with a high of 91. Again, looks like those Humidity levels will be down slightly for your Thursday, as we'll see more of a northwesterly component to our winds. And then as we go into Thursday night and Friday, continued warm conditions. Friday expecting a high temperature of 88 degrees. Now to wrap it up for today's weather briefing, we'll be back at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.